Sorry, alrighty. Welcome to the new video here. Some decent 4 o'clock forecast here for next several days. Interesting one for Friday, I'm looking at that now. But anyways, starting with Thursday here, we got periods of snow beginning in the morning, got a couple centimeters there. And then Thursday night, we got 40% chance of flurries in the evening with periods of snow beginning near midnight, another 2 centimeters there. So in totality, within that period, about, give or take, 2 to 4 centimeters. Friday's interesting. Periods of snow with a high of 6 degrees. I would assume it's just snowfall during the morning hours. And then Friday night, we got periods of snow. So periods of snow all day Friday. And then Saturday, you can see a nice drastic cool down there compared to Friday. Periods of snow or rain, though. The 1 degree high, and then Saturday night gets a little chilly there, -8. And then Sunday we get below freezing as a high, and then Sunday night 30% chance of flurries. The hope is that an Arctic front does manage to sneak down next week. That's the hope. But yeah, we'll see how things. Well, I will probably see you guys a little bit later on. A little bit later on with the temperature. Just allow it to drop just a little bit more. Here's where the forecast temperature stands. Cold as it's been in quite a while. Well, quite a while being several days. Yeah, -4. Might get no more colder than that. Might try to go for -5, but I think that's about as cold as it'll get. It's gonna get cloudy, so if not, I'm pretty sure it has already. So I'm not too sure, but one way or another, it'll probably get about -5. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the morning. Here's the forecast. So it's meh. We got periods of snow beginning this morning at some point. There is some coming in right now, so see. Then that becomes snow mixed with rain this afternoon with a couple centimeters possible. Still a high of, well, now a high of 4 degrees. Tonight we got periods of snow and 2 to 4 centimeters there. And then Friday, still got a high of 6 degrees, but like I suspect, it's just periods of snow ending in the morning. And then Friday night, 60% chance of flurries. Saturday, nice drastic cool down still, and periods of snow, and then Saturday night it's going to be cold. No dry period there, and then snow returns for Sunday night, periods of snow there. Yeah. The forecast is finally picked up on the cold. That's expected after this. Although it will be dry during it. It's showing -2, -3 highs, and minus double-digit lows. Respectable. Yeah. We hope to get some snow out of it as well, but chances are, no. There's that. And then the weather now right here. This is how theirs is. Yeah. Pretty little messy there, you can see for the 6th, and then beyond that it's just cold and dry-ish because it's a 30% chance of precip for these days here. But yeah. It warms up a bit. I mean, not too much. Not really too much. But I mean, very late on, like mid-February kind of idea, yeah. 1-2 degrees, but before that, before like the 17th, 18th, and that's too far to even call if it'll warm up or not, but one way and a little bit, it gets a little bit snowier for, I believe this is, yeah, next week. Yeah. Well, not much else to show. I will show you guys what the current temperature is in just a little bit later on. So, just like I suspected, got down to -5 last night. Or this morning, whatever. One way or another, it got down to -5. But yeah, it's below -2.0, still increasing the temperature. Hopefully it'll stay below freezing today. That's the goal. If it can start fucking snowing, that'd be possible, but for Christ's sake, it's not. Yeah, I'll see you guys later today. Well, this is the 11 o'clock forecast now. It looks good. A little bit of changes have been made. Now for today, it's periods of snow Mixture.to beginning this afternoon. Keep pushing it back. Everything else is the same, but now Friday night is periods of snow as well. So we got periods of snow possible straight from today till the end of the week, which is a decent little bit of time. But yeah, everything else beyond that is still the same. Waiting for some fucking precipitation to fall. It's currently 2.7 here. Hoping it'll snow. And now here's the 4 o'clock forecast. And more things have changed here. So tonight, now it's periods of snow beginning early this evening. They keep pushing it fucking back. Like fucking, every fucking update. The 5 a.m. Well, there was the 5 a.m. I'm pretty sure that 5 a.m. was an issue for the morning. And then 11 a.m. was for the afternoon, and now it's for the early evening. Anyways, beyond that, everything else is the same for Friday. Everything else is the same. Still the same snowfall amount for tonight as well, 2 to 4, despite the when it's expected to start. But now Saturday is all day periods of snow, as you can see there. Periods of snow. And Sunday night, still periods of snow. So the only dry break we get for the only bit of dryness we get from the rest of the week and the weekend is Sunday, and that'll probably change as well. It's probably like a chance of flares or something. But yeah, that's where we stand. I will see you guys later on today. Well, it's 1 degree, and instead of it raining, oh, well, there you go. It's raining rather than snowing. What a fucking joke. Well, all we can pray for is a switch over later on tonight if precip rates can fucking increase. If we're lucky, precip rates increase, or we stay consistent on this little bit of precip, maybe we can get some switch over this evening at some point. But it looks like accumulation's gonna be lackluster with this bullshit. Fucking hell. Well, this is where we stand in terms of the temperature. It's been hanging around like 1.0. It's been hanging around like 1.0 to like 1.6 for the past like hour or two. It briefly went up under 1.0, but that was because it was raining decently. And now it's stopped more so. Well, it's more like a drizzle now. So the hope is that we can get a switch over to snow at some point, but but realistically, even if it was snowing, it wouldn't even be accumulating right now anyways. It'd be so fucking light. We're sitting in a fucking, well, because we're getting rain, a rain shadow, so it's getting fucking cucked, or whatever. I'll probably see you guys later on tonight. Well, I don't know how well it's showing up on the camera. There is thick, wet snow mixing in. Come on. See, it's raining, but you can see some chunkier things come down. Doesn't really show up well on here. But it's really thick drops, like it's thick ass drops. Well, I'll give it a bit. Give it about an hour or so and should fully switch over by then. Or at least more dominantly snow by then. Right now it's mainly just chunky rain with a bit of snow mixed in. So I'm just trying to get this to focus. God, this thing takes forever to fucking... I'll leave you guys with that. It's going to refuse to focus. I'll see you guys later on. See if it can switch over to snow. Fully snow. While the precip has ended, we did try its very best to switch over to rain and snow. Well, it managed to switch over pretty solidly to rain and snow. There was some decent flakes falling, from what I can tell from the window, but nothing really too much. But now, we're looking at a pretty chunky bit of snow, I would highly assume, making its way down from the northwest. Should be here probably in about half an hour. Well, 25 to 45 minutes tops. Then not even that, 25 to 35 minutes tops. Yeah. Well, we'll see how things are. I'll see you guys in a bit. A little bit later on tonight. Things are looking hopefully juicy. Holy shit. So I just came out here because it's 0.4 degrees right now. I was wondering, like, should be snowing. I'm gonna go change. So there's huge fucking snowflakes coming down right now. Like, humongous. And just to show you guys here before I head back out, is 0.4. Yeah. It is coming. I was like, it should be switching over to snow by now, and no surprise. I mean, you can get rain at this temperature. As long as it's above freezing, you can get rain. Anything below it would be freezing rain, so. Realistically, if it was still raining right now, technically it would be still correct, but it would be very odd. But yeah, because that would mean it'd have to be like nearly non-changing. That'd be like a warm air inversion above us, or consistently it's like 0 degrees at like warmer than 0 degrees at 850, which would mean it'd be warming with height, which would not be logical unless it's warm air inversion. But whatever, I'll be heading out right now. Alright, we're officially out now. Holy shit. Been pissing rain all night. finally it's starting to snow. This would be very scary if it... This would be very interesting if it gets below freezing tonight. Yeah. So I guess... Because it's known to be at least... Yeah. Well, I'm gonna head in, put this away, and then I'm actually just gonna do a check with my Kestrel here. Just to confirm temperature-wise what it's like. So, I mean, it can't be far off from a zero. It can't be. If it's within the 0.0 to 1.0 range, 0.9 range. Sorry. Well, essentially, if it's below it, it makes 0.0 to 0.9 range. It's realistic. It's the Kestrels. The thing is saying it's just a very stubborn switchover. I'll keep my camera on me just in case, because this may pick up even more. Well, actually, I'll pop back with you guys later once I get my readings done. But it looks like it's very starting to switch over to snow now. Yeah. Fairly moist.
not the real temperature. To start walking. Oh, big. Yeah. It's about 1.1. As long as I'm moving. Yeah, whoa. Might be because there's water in there, but it says it's 1.1, which is fair. Realistically, within, I typically consider anywhere between plus minus a degree is usually quite accurate. Is an accurate enough reading. Well, plus minus half a degree, so that's like ideal. Plus minus ones, the better off. During the summer it doesn't matter, but during like these times it does. But yeah, so it's about 1 degree. I wouldn't be surprised if the thing inside now says, yeah, you can see, wouldn't be surprised if the thing, my actual weather station thing says 1.0, or I mean 0.5 or something. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'm actually gonna go check the how the things are. Just a bit here. I'm gonna put the casserole away right now. But yeah, it's about 1 degree and it's snowing. The fairly moist, 97% humidity, 97.6%. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the temperature sensor has a plus minus 0.4 degree Celsius uncertainty range. So realistically, it's probably about 0.6 because the ground is very slippery. It's starting to get a bit slippery. Jesus. It is getting a bit slippery. That could be because the very slushy snow, well, liquid coming down. I won't wake up to accumulation, that's for sure, but it might be a very wet snow falling. It's still ongoing, but last time I checked, most of precip should be moved out by sunrise, which is around 7:30, plus minus an hour or two from that. Yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys with a radar or two, ending off for the night.
I mean, I guess it's good to have a range. I mean, we can make ends meet with the humidity agreement. It's over 95%, but because it maxes out 95, it doesn't go beyond that. But the temperature, we have a bit of disagreement here. 0.3 and then at 1.0. At points I got 0.9, I'm pretty sure. And I just checked, it's actually a half degree plus minus half a degree. So that's about, so if we got 0.9, well, and then we got 1.0, 1.1, brings it within range, but I mean, you can't really, it's, oof. I bet you if I stayed out there a little long, if I had the time to stay out there for like another 20 minutes, well, 10 to 20 minutes, probably would get a better reading, but, yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. It's about 0 to 1 degree. Holy shit. It's about 0 to 1 degree. Well, this is where the temperature stands before I go to bed. Jeez fucking Christ. Yeah. 0 degrees exactly. So essentially whatever precip falls is either going to be snow or freezing rain, technically speaking. Although, from what I've seen, it should be between 0.0 to 1.0, but the lowest temperature I could find is 0.4. Well, not find. The lowest temperature being recorded right now is 0.4, just to my west. It's a PWS station. Yeah, personal weather station. And then we got the radar here. Forgot to show you guys this. This is how precip is looking now. It's just ended actually. It's not doing anything here. It's not raining, not snowing, not doing anything. But there is more coming. But yeah, well, I'll have to leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the later on in the morning. Yeah. We'll be able to show you guys directly the forecast right now. I'll do that, and then around noon. But this is what we say with the temperature. I gotta get my ass going, but slightly below freezing. Yeah. I'll see you guys later on today with a proper weather update, forecast update for the Weather Network and Environment Canada.
Everything's a fucking skating rink. Running late, so I gotta move fast. It's so slippery. Oh, crap. Leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Holy crap. Oh, I can't walk. It's so fucking icy. Oh. Christ. I thought the ice was done. Now I'll leave you guys with that. See you guys later on today.
Well, here's the forecast. This is what we're dealing with. We got appears the snow beginning near midnight, 2 centimeters. So let's hope this time around we can actually get fucking snow. Tomorrow we got periods of snow becoming mixed with rain in the afternoon. Got 2 to 4 centimeters there. Maybe get some gusty winds out of north, 20 gusts to 40 near noon. Saturday night gets quite cold. Periods of snow there, -7. And that's where we start dropping Saturday right there. And we go down to next week. There we go. We got ourselves that Arctic air finally making its arrival for fucking winter. Jesus Christ. You can see there Monday. Well, Monday high starts off relatively modest, and then we actually get below normal. Like solidly below normal throughout the day. Tuesday and beyond. Got minus double digits as lows and -3 to, well, -1, well, below freezing highs, which is acceptable, but minimal precip is expected during this, which is the only annoying part. But yeah, maybe we get some sliders out in northwest. System sliding out of northwest. Yeah. So there's that, and then we got. Oh shit. And then we got the weather now here. Theirs is not too bad either. Well, actually, theirs is very enjoyable to look at. Quite the Arctic air expected all fucking week next week. They're predicting well below freezing temperatures with minus double digits all fucking week, excluding Sunday. As you can see there, but although pretty dry, about 30% chances of precip here and there. So that doesn't mean much, but it's there. But yeah, overall it's gonna be definitely fucking cold. -21. It'll be our first -20s as wind chills in this season. And then we scroll down here, you can see then next week it starts warming back up again, maybe. But we'll see how things go. It's still uncertain how long it's going to last, but it's 100% certain it'll last through next week. With minimal to no precip. Beyond that, still a roll of the dice. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll show you guys the temperature before I leave for school here in just a bit. Yeah. This is where we stand in terms of the temperature. 4.8 and rising. It's very warm. But yeah, I gotta quickly get going here, so we'll see how high we get today. I'm guessing about like between 5.0 to 6.0. May briefly peak over 6.0, so we'll see. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on this afternoon. As soon as I say that, temperature now is at 5.0. Yeah, lovely. It's like as soon as I close it off, it switched to 5.0. Alright, now there you guys go. I'll see you guys later on today. Later on this afternoon, sorry. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. God, I wasn't expecting to get sunny, but because of that, it's up to got to a very toasty. It's gone up to a very toasty 7 degrees in terms of winter. In winter terms, this is toasty. Yeah. Pretty sure it got up to like beyond that. I'm pretty sure it got up to like 7.6, that kind of range. At some point, so essentially got up to like it probably got up to like a rounded 8 degrees. Rounded up 8 degrees. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys next with the 4 o'clock update. Yo. I think that is what I think it is. What's it called? Horseshoe vortex. Oh, yo. That's sick. I think that's what it is.
Could be just some weirdly shaped cloud, because you can see right below it that cloud looks interestingly similar. I'm not betting my bucks on it though. Didn't look too well defined enough, but very likely could have been. Well, not could have. Still there. I think that is. So look, literally looks horseshoe-like. Nice. Leave that now. I'll see you guys at the 4 o'clock update. Just keeping it rapid here. Just this is actually quite significant. I mean, it is February, but usually this is not what it is. Keeping a regular check on the temperature here. But I'm sure to tell you guys this will be the last one because I gotta do other things anyways. But yeah, I'll see you guys the 4 o'clock update now, later on. Well, this is how it is. Looks like the cold's gonna be... Oh, we're really gonna do this now. Delayed. Sunday, you can see. Unless that was still... I don't know, I'll have to check back, but it looks like... I'm pretty sure Sunday's changed quite a bit there. And then, other than that, we still got periods of snow beginning after well, now we got periods of snow beginning after midnight. And still periods of snow becoming mixed with rain in the afternoon tomorrow with 2 to 4 centimeters. And winds becoming north 20 gusting to 40 near noon. And you can see Saturday night, we got a 6% chance of flurries early in the evening with winds north 20 gusting 40 becoming light. Yeah. And then beyond that, everything else is the same from what I showed you guys earlier today. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow morning, depending on when the snow starts. Alright, we're set for snow. I actually checked the 850 millibar height in terms of the temperature. 850 millibar height temperature. And it's actually at about -2, -3 right now. Well, last time it was updated. So we're actually in good placement right now. We should easily see snow. If we don't, it's gonna be like fucking last night, where it rains with a mix of snow, and the morning's just an icy fucking mess. When I'm not a mess, just an icy shitfest. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys probably maybe later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. And this is what the radar is looking like right now. So, got snow beginning to develop. Although we're in that, yet again, in that flow where it casts a shadow, precip shadow on us. But we'll see how things turn out through the night here. Might wake up to another morning of absolutely nothing. Instead of it being because of it raining instead, it's going to be because literally nothing wants to happen. We'll see. I'll see you guys later on in the morning. Oh shit. Just to start it off here, it's the 11 o'clock update. Got up a little late. Well, not a little late, got up quite late. Today we got a 6% chance of rain or snow, with winds north 20 gusting to 40. It looks like it just rained last night, but I can't confirm that. I gotta check the past 24-hour condition thing from the airport. Anyway, so 6% chance of flurries early this evening, then partly cloudy, and then winds north 20 gusting to 40 becoming light near midnight. And tomorrow is when it starts getting fucking cold. So, I mean, it's only a 1 degree high for Sunday. That's still pretty meh. And then Sunday night, we got a -12 low. Monday, cold with a -16 low and -4 high. Tuesday, a -8 high with a low of -20. Oh my lord. This is not a fucking joke. Oh my lord. I asked for fucking cold, we're gonna get cold. Jesus Christ. And then we scroll down here, it starts warming up. Well, if it even can say warming up. Starts warming up.
Well, Wednesday we get a -9 fucking high, but then a -15 low. And then Thursday a -4 high, and Thursday night a -14 low. And then Friday a -3 high. This could be all in part due to the cloud cover as well. I would be surprised if you get removed this cloud cover, -20, -21 again. -20s again. But not necessarily for Thursday, Friday. That's actually when things start warming up. Yeah. And this is just the start. The weather now is fucking bonkers. It goes all in with the cold. Look at this shit. Literally look at this shit. It has -23 lows for Wednesday and Thursday. -23. And look at just this whole entire week is gonna be a fucking bone-chilling week. Well, not even, just a little over a week. This is ridiculous. And you wanna know the fucking wind chill for this as well. Let's just hold you here for a bit. -30. -30. What mans? I've never experienced -30 wind chills. That's for the one damn thing. We've gotten -20 lows, but I mean, that's what I've never seen this before. Period. This is insane. I don't even know if my fucking temperature sensor outside can handle it. It only goes down to -30. So if we get even near -30, I don't even know. It recommends lithium batteries for -20 and colder. So I wonder how it's gonna perform, or if it matters. But then after that, so it's warming up. So you can see here next week, -4, -11, -3, -11. Still pretty cold until midweek, and then you can see it warms up a little bit. I mean, 2-3 degrees. Nah. I think that'll be a cold for the winter. Doesn't look like it'll get any better. Yeah, sadly. But yeah, I'll be leaving you guys with that. I'll see you guys highly likely later on. Well, not highly likely. I will see you guys later on today. So I did check, and it did snow. It did snow a little bit this morning. It wasn't much though. Well, it lasted for about an hour or two. If I remember correctly, because the webcam, about an hour or two, yeah. It lasted for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then it kind of just shoveled off. It didn't stick or anything, so. Snowfall, but it counts as 0 centimeters. Yeah. So. Yeah. I didn't miss much. Just an hour and a half to a couple hours of snow, and that's it. That's non-sticking snow. That's it. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Yo! Looks like Graupel. Oh. Yeah. Yo. Convective shit, hello. Oh. Woohoo. Love it. Wow. Yo, soft hail. Let's go, boys. Otherwise known as Graupel. Shit, it was funny. I was just talking about how I missed it. Thank God I didn't miss this. Still
Oh, wow. And that's a convective cell coming over. So I saw that on radar way earlier on. Some shit was developing to our west. And it looked fairly convective because it was like literally just an isolated, essentially a cell. But yeah, that's Graupel. It's definitely not snow, that's for damn sure. But it's Graupel, I'm pretty sure. Just have to confirm that in a little bit, but yeah, look at that. Came from the northwest, looks like. Yeah. Still going. I'll take it. I mean, it's not snow. Well, it's the closest thing to snow. And I count that as accumulation as well. Well, should I? Yeah, I should. I'll count it as accumulation. And you can actually see some of the snow from last night as well. And it stopped. It's completely stopped. Oh, convective cells. I hope we get another one of these today. I love them. Yeah. So, that happened. Whole fucking 3 minutes. But yeah, you can see some of the snow that accumulated this morning. And then now we just got this little convective cell. And produce some Graupel. Love it. Leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on. See what the radar looked like. That was out of the blue.
Well, this is the extent of the cold air. This whole entire area here, all red for extreme cold warnings, and then for us, special weather statements. Those red areas are just highway snowfall warnings. Yeah. Fucking warning maps all red. But yeah, we got a special weather statement in place now for cold conditions for next week. All of next week. Go down to here. And here it is. So, yeah. Much colder. I thought I said much cooler. I was like, hold up, cooler? But yeah. Yeah, nothing. 10 to 20 degrees below the seasonal average. We'll be in that we'll be in that 15 to 20 degree area. Well, we'll be in that 10 to 15 degree area in terms of the lows anyways. But yeah. Yeah, not much else to show. With that Graupel that happened earlier, I was not expecting that. Nothing on radar, so I wonder what the hell happened, but it was cool one way or another. Yeah. There you guys go, though. I'll see you guys later on today. Alrighty, here's the forecast. Yeah, still on a cold. Still gonna be pretty cold. Today it's gonna be pretty meh. Winds up to 15k today. Tonight it's gonna be -9. Pretty meh to start. The -16 wind chill though overnight. Tomorrow a nice -6 high with winds north 30k. And then we get a wind chill near -18. So Monday night -17. Yeah. And then you got Tuesday here with a high of -9. But Tuesday night only gets down to -17 again because of shitty cloud cover. Maybe we'll get lucky. It won't. Depends what type of cloud cover. If it's high cloud cover, it doesn't do shit. If it's low cloud, like mid-level to low cloud cover, then yeah, it's gonna be an issue. But if it's high cloud cover, it won't do shit. Well, it won't do as much anyways. But Wednesday will be a high of -9 as well, and a low of -23. Yeah. This is going to be some of the... I mean, we've hit minus 20 in the past few years, but I think this is going to be definitely well below minus 20. This is definitely going to be one of those times where it's going to get well below minus 20, not just like touching minus 20. So, it's going to be interesting to see what the wind chills are as well. And then, scroll down here. Thursday, a nice high of minus 10. Thursday night, a low of minus 16. And then you can see that warm up begin. Friday, minus 5, with high of minus 5 with a low of minus 12. And then Saturday, a mediocre high of minus 3. Nothing spectacular by any means, but yeah. Well, watch how Tuesday night's expected to go, because really a high cloud cover won't do much. It's the mid to low level that, yeah, it'll probably mess it up a bit. But I mean, if we get a wind from the north during it, which I mean it's probably unlikely, but if there is, yeah, who knows. And then the weather down here is straightforward. This is all I'm going to show here. This is all I need to show. This is what it's looking like all week. Yeah. So essentially this will be the story if we get no cloud cover. Minimal to no cloud cover. So essentially the weather now is going, this is going to be the minimal to no cloud cover scenario. And Environment Canada is going for the more cloudier scenario. So keeps things a little bit warmer. So we'll see. So you can see here Tuesday, Wednesday, don't see that cloudy conditions. So it's fairly clear what they call. But yeah, no minus 30 wind chill, but don't need. Really, it's already don't really need much of that. The temperature is well cold enough. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty dry throughout it, and yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I will see you guys later on today with the 4 o'clock update. Yeah. Probably. No, definitely. This is the 4 o'clock forecast here. It's nothing special. There's nothing much that's truly changed. Although a couple things to know. We got a 30% chance of flurries this evening. Which is naturally a little bit not that surprising, but we have it. We still got winds north 20 gusting to 40 tomorrow, continuing into tomorrow night, becoming light near midnight. Wind chill near minus 21 tomorrow night, not pretty cold there. And then Tuesday night now is no longer cloudy, it's just cloudy period, so minus 17 seems a bit conservative. Beyond that, though, everything else is the same, so not going to show anything else. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow morning, depending if it does snow tonight or not, which is unlikely, but we'll see. This is the forecast here in the morning. Yeah, it's pretty. So, well, to start, but it gets a little better. Okay. So today, well, you can see it's already pretty cold. Wind chill going on. I'll show you guys the current temperature in just a little later on after this clip, after this update. But today we got winds north 30 gusting at 50. And then a high of minus 2, but a wind chill of minus 21 this morning, and a minus 9 wind chill this afternoon. Yeah. And then tomorrow we got a nice high of minus 9. Well, no, tonight we got a low of minus 17, and a minus 20 wind chill overnight, as those winds north 20 become light this evening. And then Tuesday we got a high of minus 9 with a wind chill of minus 21 in the morning and a minus 12 in the afternoon. And then Tuesday night's no longer supposed to be the night of minus 20 anymore. Wait, I don't even think that was initially. One way or another. Tuesday night at a low of -15 and 40% chance of flurries. Wednesday, nice high of -9 there again, with a low of -20. Yeah, that's what we're working with there. And we scroll her down here. Come on. And then Thursday we got a high of -12 with a low of -21 for Thursday night. And then you can see a drastic warm-up actually happen there beginning Friday night. Friday a high of -8 with a low of -12. Saturday a high of -3 and a low of -11. And then Sunday another high of -3. Yeah. And it stays relatively dry. Yeah. It's a depressing winter. We're not going to get our above normal snowfall. We're going to get our cold that we've been desperately needing, but we're not going to get our above normal snowfall. Fuck's sake. And then the weather network here. This is all I need to show here. So flurries, so you can see there Tuesday night and Wednesday, probably in the morning. But yeah, pretty cold though. One way or another, still holds it at -15, -21, straight through. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll see you guys with current temperature. And I'm actually gonna end off the video here, because yeah, might as well end it right before the real shit begins. So yeah, I'm actually gonna end it off here. So yeah, pretty dry, and this is just a start to the really cold temperatures that are expected to begin. Yeah, this week. There you guys go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.